Hello students, welcome to all in our computer class. Today our topic is very interesting, that is HTML, and it is the chapter number 4 of your book. So let's start HTML. First, what is HTML?
The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is the main markup language. You can say it is used to create web pages and information to be displayed in a web browser. And HTML codes can be written in Notepad only or any text or editor like Notepad++, okay, WordPad, and we have to write all the tags in angle brackets. We have to enclose the tags in angle bracket. We will discuss it in this video. Okay, how can you use HTML in web development? The main purpose of HTML is to design a web page. Okay, and website is the collection of different web pages, linked web pages, you can say. So HTML is used to create web pages, and it is a code used to edit position web page element like text, image, boxes, graphics, and hyperlinks also. And the main plus point is that it is the simple to understand and use. Now, if I talk about the development of HTML, then you have to know the first HTML tags or the HTML language is developed by Tim Berners-Lee over internet in 1991, who was known as the father of internet. Okay, after that in 1992 HTML2 has come, and in 1997 W3 has published HTML3, HTML4, and now HTML5 is the latest version of HTML which is available to create web pages. Now we will discuss about HTML tags, the main important part of HTMLs. There are two types of HTML tag. One is container tag and the other ones are empty tag. The main difference in both of them, container tag have to start and close. It's mandatory, otherwise it will not work. Okay, and empty elements, or you can say empty tags, you have need to start but no need to close, like BR tag, HR tag, IMG tag, image tag to insert image. We will discuss all the tag one by one. Okay, an example of container tags are HTML tag, title tag, and B tag, body tag. These are container tag which you have to open and close it. Now I am telling you syntax of HTML code. First, you have to know that all the HTML code here is written or write in any text editor like Notepad, because it is generally found in a computer. First tag, you have to start HTML. It tells the computer that we are writing the code in HTML language. Head and title tag. Head and title tag is used to give the title of your web page. It's not mandatory, but it's a good habit to write title so that your related web page can be displayed on the screen. Afterwards, body tag, body close is also there, and between body tag, whatever you will write or whatever you will perform, whatever you will write between body tag, it will appear on the body of web page. Afterwards, body close, HTML close, and you have to save that file with the extension .html. Okay, that is the syntax and structure for making HTML document. Now, types of HTML. There are many attributes of HTML. Some of them are very popularly and commonly used. What is the meaning of attributes? Attributes, you can say, the characteristics of any element of the web page is called attribute. So first we talk about title attribute. We can use the title attribute to give a title to an element. It behaves differently for different elements. When the title attribute is used with an element, it displays the title element's value as a tooltip. When you bring the cursor over that element in the browser window. Okay, that is the title attribute. Next is abbreviation element. You can say abbreviation tag. It defines the abbreviation of an acronym like HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So I can use ABBR tag for abbreviation. Okay, we will do that practical, then you can understand it. Style attribute. It is used to specify the style for an element. Using the style attribute, you can specify inline CSS for an HTML element. CSS means cascading style sheets in a language is a language. It's a language used to describe the styling of an HTML document. Okay, href attribute. It's for hyperreference. It allows us to specify a URL inside the A tag. href is used with A tag. href is attribute of A tag. A is for anchor tag, so that you can link the particular URL with any word or an image. Okay, so that you can click on the word and the other web page will open or other website will open. And many more many more attributes are also there, like language attribute, which is used to HTML document. Inside the HTML tag, and the value of lang attribute is a standard 2-character language code. Generally we use EL for English language. Okay, alt attribute. That attribute provides alternative information for an image. If a user for some reason cannot view it, then it will provide you some extra information for alt attribute. Next is SRC attribute, source attribute. Generally it is used with IMG. Okay, to insert image from where, what the location for the image, SRC attribute will tell. So SRC attribute specify the location of a resource such as an image or a web page, and many other attributes are there, like with body tag you can use color, with font you can use size, and etc. I know you have learned or you have read about this topic in your previous class, but it's a recap for HTML. So you have to read it from your book.